we got another package. Alright, I'll go check it out. What we got here? Welcome back everybody to another unboxing video with an actual box this time. Let me just check to see who this is from. This is from ArmyBarracks.com, so feel free to check them out. They have a variety of items on their website, and let's just go ahead and open this. They actually also have, I think, a number of retail storefronts on the eastern US, so you might actually be able to stop in person and check some stuff out. So, looking here, very interesting. Yes, this is really interesting. Well, this isn't actually quite what I ordered here, but it's actually probably better. So I had ordered, let's go through what we do have here. This is actually what was supposed to be sent. But this obviously isn't a Swiss Garrison Wool Cap. This is a big friggin' blanket, which is worth a lot more than the caps, which I wouldn't mind reordering. So thanks guys, this is unexpected. It looks like a red Swiss blanket. Huh, McGuire Gear Survive Life. So I ended up with a ginormous blanket here, and supposed to Swiss Garrison caps. Okay, unexpected misshipment. Okay, the other thing I had ordered was some of these things. These are these small P38 can openers. So, how many we got here? 1, 2, 3, might be 2 stuck here, yep. So I ordered 6 of these. These are like little tiny things. It's also been recommended by others to get the Australian version of the can opener as well as the P51, which would be easier to handle, so I'm on the lookout for those. And the last set of items I ordered were these. These are more of a novelty item, I admit. So these are from Right Edge. So these are supposed to be butterfly spoons. Oh, well, let's check one of these out and see what actually. Oh, they're actually pretty shiny. So let's see. Look at that. Ready to use. And it's actually pretty solid. Interesting. These marked up in price. Are you kidding me? Yeah, do you believe they were? Oh well. Well, this was an interesting shipment. Let's see what else we got here. So again, we had ordered some Swiss Garrison Wool Caps. Instead we got this really big, nice blanket. So even though I'm disappointed I didn't get the caps, I'm kind of pleased that I got a blanket out of it. Okay, looks like this one was actually a display model. Thus this. weird. And this looks new, so we won't mess with this one. And yeah, these were definitely marked up, so it probably was cheaper at the retail store. The third one, that's nature surplus, I guess. Surplus material. Stores can set whatever price they want online. That's new in the wrapper too. These are actually pretty solid feeling. I'm not sure about the grade of steel, but they are firm enough that they're not going to flex under normal use. I can tell that already. I've had some other cheap butterfly knives that have, and tools that have been there. There's a little bit of flex, but through normal use and can scraping or whatever, you're not going to have an issue. A little bit rough around the edge right there. I can probably smooth that out with a polisher. Not bad for a novelty item. Definitely cheaper than an actual knife. But for a camping item, and to whip it out the campfire and say, "Alright, I'm ready to eat," I might raise some eyebrows, get a couple chuckles. Alright, so mixed feelings about this delivery. This is from ArmyBarracks.com. Feel free to check them out. I did have ordered from them in the past with no issues. This time, again, I'm going to shake this out just in case there is some hats in here, but no. Instead, we ended up with a big blanket, which is actually worth a lot more than the 3 Swiss Garrison Wool Caps. Instead, I ended up with a Swiss style blanket, so thank you. I guess that makes up for the missed shipment. So feel free to check out some other unboxing and bagging videos, as well as some show and tell, and snoop around the channel. Leave some likes, subscribes, always welcome, and come on back for the next video. Thanks for watching.